Like this or like this? I don't really know anymore, but hello you guys, it's your girl Chidera aka Vibes with Adoibo, and welcome back to another video. Today yeah, I'm just going to be taking out my twist out and we're going to see how it looks. This was really lazy from my end. I had a braid out in before, and yeah, that's the braid that I had in my last video. So when I was trying to, I took it out, and when I was trying to put it back, I just got lazy and I just did a twist out. I didn't really wet my hair before I did it, so that's why it looks really crazy. So we're just going to take it out and see what it looks like. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't know if it's going to look good or not, so bear with me. So let's get started. I don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, this is not going to end well because see, it's already hanging out. Oh well. When you record this kind of videos, are you supposed to be talking to your audience? Because I don't really know what to talk about. I mean, right now I feel weird because I just want to do this so fast so that I can stop being silent in the video. Oh dear. But how are you? Why did I do a braid out in here? This is why, I just don't like me. If you're gonna do a twist out, do a twist out. Why are you doing braid outs in a twist out? I'm pretty sure I did this just so I could compare which one looked better. For me, braid outs tend to retain the most curls for some reason. I don't really know why, but my twist out never retain enough curls. Braid outs just tend to work the best for me. And another braid out. Yo, I'm just okay. As I was saying, braid outs give me the most definition and curls that twist outs don't, because when you have to separate the strands after you take it out, you're gonna see how it looks, because I'm pretty sure it's not going to be as good as the braid out. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of when I took out my braid out and you'll see the difference. So now we're going to go ahead and separate the strands. Oh, never mind, forgot this one. Okay, so some people would leave theirs like this, but no, because my hair is really full, so I like to see it in its maximum fullness. So yeah, I have not mastered separating the strands. So I don't really know what I'm doing right now, but it looks good so far. I mean, better than my previous twist outs. I also don't really know what I want to do with my hair. Sorry guys, the mailman came and apparently I had some mail, so I went to get that. Anyways, it looks good. It looks good for somebody as lazy as me that didn't even do the proper steps of moisturizing. After you take out your braid outs, right, and you rock it for a day or two, and you're supposed to put it back in the braids at night, and when you do that, you're supposed to wet the hair a little bit so that it can retain some moisture. If possible, put some additional products, but I didn't do that. I just twisted it because I twisted it back the same day. So I'm like, well, the moisture in it is going to be enough. There's no need to be putting more products. So yeah, that's kind of what I did. But we're almost done, guys. Just stick with me. I don't really know what kind of hair that I have. If it's 4C or 4B/4C. Like someone, I think one of my friends, she's like, your hair is definitely 4B/4C. And I'm like, how do you know? Like, I don't know. I used, for the longest time, I didn't know it was based on the curl pattern. I used to think that it's because of how like tough your hair was, because my hair is really tough. Like when I would be getting braids, and I have a sensitive scalp on top of that, so like people who braid my hair, they always complain. They're like, bruh, your hair makes my fingers hurt. And rightfully so. This is on my mom. She has a lot of hair. When I look at her pictures from when she was younger, bruh, it was crazy. Like if I was a hair braider, I would not do her hair. She even used to say like no one wanted to do her hair because they were all like, nope. And she would say this thing in Igbo. She'd be like, Isim na bajihaka. And that just means like her hair breaks their fingers. Not literally, but you know, doing her hair hurts their fingers. We're almost done. I think this is not so bad. Honestly, it looked better than I thought, to be honest, because I had really low expectations. I don't even know why I decided to go natural, because I am the worst like caretaker. I don't take care of my hair, and it's really bad. I try, but you know, you have people who go OD with taking care of their hair, like every night moisturize. I don't do that. I moisturize when I can. But I think I'm done taking out all of the... I also really like this thing where I do in the front and I bring like some of the hair to the front. It just makes it look good. It's kind of like little bangs. So I do that when I get a chance. Because if I were to separate it, you know, it would be... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, actually doesn't look bad. Like it can go either way. But sometimes I prefer it like this. Like this or like this. I don't really know anymore, but it looks good either way. It looks good either way. I think I might just leave it on the side. But it's kind of hanging. That's what I don't like. But the moral of this story is that it looks good. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my comb. I don't know. I see a lot of videos when they do this, but I don't really know how they do it. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. But I just kind of go in, and I guess you're trying to like get it from the roots. Not removing the curls, but that's pretty much the end of this video. If you want to see more hair videos, make sure you comment down below, like this video, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video.